I just finished this vintage Reuge automaton carousel style singing bird cage. Very uncommon model, different than most. What makes it different is inside of the panels there is a beautiful blue Reuge singing bird. I'm going to press this button and we'll watch and see what happens. Very cool. I'm going to zoom in a little more closely so we can actually see the bird. Beautiful blue bird. So I fully service this so the bird sings and animates perfectly, full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. She flutters her tail, she opens and closes her beak, she rotates her head, and she also rotates her entire body on her axis. Let's do it one more time. In summary, a vintage, this would have been made right around 1970, Reuge singing bird cage in a very uncommon carousel automaton panel model. Very nice condition. Take care.